Hi Isabelle, right, quick video. First things first, have a go at answering those questions in the theory book that I mentioned. Then the cuckoo, sorry, this is a really awful printout of it, but there we go, it'll do for this. That's very nearly there. Just concentrate on holding down these tied notes, so you only play those once, as you know, and get used to this repeat. If you remember, I'll come in here, this double bar line, when it has the two dots, there, and there, that means when you reach that, you go back to the beginning, play it again, and then play through the rest of the piece. So you'd play all the way to there, all the way to there again, and then that, and then that, and then finish. So on Lego House, this is page 2 of Lego House, remember here that your second finger is going to go over your thumb. So that looks like this. Second over, and then 1 and 4. So that happens here, where I've written second over, and also here, where I've written second over. Now, these bits where I've drawn little arrows, use those because you've got quite a lot of time here. Use those to find your next note ready. Use that time. And then finally, on this last bit, if you start this section on a 2, then you're going to have your thumb left over at the end so you can play this chord. So that looks like this in the right hand. Start on the second. And then our thumb is free to play this last chord. And do you remember we spoke about that last chord being slightly quieter? So it doesn't end on a horrible jarring noise. Good, and then lastly, the damper pedal. This really is an awful photo of it. Remember with this, the pedal's going to go down just after you play that first note, but while you're still holding that first note down. So you'll go press note pedal. And it's going to stay down all the time this line is there, all the way to here. And then a microsecond after you play that F sharp, your foot's going to go whoop whoop like that. And we'll have that's called the change of the pedal. So we'll change the pedal there just after you play that F sharp. And then the pedal stays down all the way through this to here. And just after you play the G, where I've done the little arrow, again, a microsecond after you play that G, your foot goes whoop whoop. And we change the pedal there. The pedal stays down all the way through here. And then again here, I've done another little arrow. And as soon as you play that F sharp, just a fraction of a second after, your foot's going to go whoop whoop. All the way to here. And then you can see there's another pedal indicated there. So just after you play that G, again, foot, whoop, whoop, all the way to the end. And then release the note and the pedal at about the same time. The movement of your foot doesn't need to be, huge. You're not stamping on the pedal or anything like that. It's just a little, whoop, just a little tickle with your foot. And that's all it needs. Best of luck with everything. There's a lot to do this week. I'm aware of this, but you're more than capable of it. And yeah, very best of luck. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.